If you've ever tried to go viral on TikTok, you know how confusing it is. You post something and it gets like 40 views, and you have no idea why. And after a while, you just kind of give up. So instead of guessing, I wanted to try something different. Take a video that's already gone viral and recreate it using AI. I used a tool called Flowa AI to do it, and I'm going to show you the entire process. To get started, go on the link in my description, and once you sign up, you can claim 300 credits right away. Once inside, you'll be greeted with this screen where you can see all kinds of creations by other creators. Now, the skill I want to use for this is called reference to video. For that, go to the skill section on the left, click on featured and click on tools. Here you'll see this option called reference to video remix. Now, what this does is that it learns from an existing video and learns its script, shot structure, visual language, and generates a brand new video using Nano Banana and Seedance 2. So I'm going to click Use Skill. And as you see here, the reference to video remix is set up. Now I'm going to go on TikTok and find a viral video. Now this is football season and Norway just beat England. So I'm going to find a video about Haaland, one of the top players of Norway, and search with Haaland AI. Now there's a lot of videos about him going viral, so I'm going to find one which is a bit more animated. Okay, I found this one which has 74,000 views and it was just uploaded 16 hours ago. So I'm going to click on it, copy its link, and download it. All right, the video is downloaded. Let's take a look before we start. As you see, the video is pretty good, so that's why it's probably going viral. So now I'm going to drag that video right here. But instead of having it generate in Japanese, I'm going to generate it in Norwegian with a Viking theme. So I'm going to say create in Norwegian with the Viking style. Now, for any of these generations, you have a lot of flexibility on choosing your image, video, music, or narration model. For this one, I'm just going to stick with the default, which is Seedance 2. All right, now that we have everything ready, I'm going to click Generate. And you can follow along every single step of the generation. As you see here, it breaks down the video shot by shot, analyzes it, finds the characters in the video, and all of them are segregated right here. And you have a lot of flexibility here. I'm going to click on Design the Storyboard. And also, because I mentioned this is going to be in Norwegian, it's giving me options in Norwegian. I'm just going to select the first one. And as you see, every single section of this video is being generated one by one. Now, normally, if you do this using a designer and a team, this would take quite a lot of money and also some time. And Flowa lets you do the entire storyboard and the entire production in one tool using a single prompt. And as you see, after the main visual elements are done, it's now generating the audio. As you see, it has now switched from Japanese to a Nordic anime style. All right, after some time, the final video is now ready in the Viking style. So let's take a look.
Dens iskalde fjäll våknar en legende. Kraften bränner I blodet. Et slag og historien skrevet.
Well, I don't understand Norwegian, but that looked pretty slick, especially the background music and all the animations. But there's a lot more you can do with it. You can edit the sounds, you can add more characters, you can extend the video. But I hope that gave you a good idea of how simple it is to get a reference from a viral video, which is already on TikTok or Instagram, and generate your own video with one click. Now, you might be wondering, what do I even do with these AI videos and how can I make money? But if you go on TikTok or Instagram, you can find different kinds of ways of doing this. For example, we have this account called AI World, and they have this product linked on their page. If you click on it, you'll see that they have a product called How I Make AI Football Videos, and they're selling it for $19. You can do something similar where you can use Flowa to generate videos to go viral and then sell your product using a link right here. Or you can be an affiliate for different kinds of other products, which can be football products, which can be anything else. And you can just link it to your account. But if you have never done something like this before, it's usually challenging to get started because of the whole creation process. But now with Flowa, it's so simple. And they also have different kinds of challenges to encourage you to get started. For example, we have this Flow of Football Creator Challenge because we have the World Cup going on, as you see, where you can submit your videos and get inspired and also make some money. So I can actually go ahead and submit the video that I generated to this form, and I might even win a prize. Now, I did this video using a simple prompt and a reference video, but you can be pretty creative if you want and add your own assets and skills and other kinds of models to generate whatever you want. All you need to do is to click on the link in my description and get started today. I hope you got some value from that video. If you did, make sure to click like and hit subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.